Okay, everybody, today we're going to do the last page of our biomes flipbook. Today we're going to learn about the tundra. Remember that this project is due on Friday, April 23rd. You won't have a live lesson on Friday, so put any finishing touches to your flipbook that you want to make and then submit it. You can submit it by sharing your project with me. You can also copy and paste the link into the discussion page that I included in your Friday folder. That way, your classmates can enjoy your hard work also. Remember to change the sharing permissions on your flipbook so that anyone with the link can view it. Okay, so let's learn about the tundra. You can find the tundra situated near the North Pole, as well as parts of Antarctica. When they say situated, they mean that it's located there. Located near the North Pole, as well as parts of Antarctica. The word tundra comes from the Russian term for treeless plain. Much of the tundra has not been visited other than for research because of its harsh and cold conditions, and it covers about 20% of the Earth. Polar bears are the largest living mammals living in the tundra. They stay in the cold climate year-round. Because of the deep tilt of the Earth toward the sun during the summer, the tundra receives 24 hours of daylight on some days in the summer. In the winter, there's less than 6 hours of daylight. These are really interesting facts to include because they're so different from how we live our lives. So this is another good opportunity for you to compare and contrast. Below the deep snow and ice is soil on the tundra. This soil is called permafrost. However, the permafrost is too frozen to allow any trees to grow deep roots. Only plants with shallow roots are able to grow in the tundra. The tundra has long and icy winters, followed by short, cool summers. The ground stays frozen all year. Although the tundra does have some animals, many of these animals hibernate or sleep through the long winter. They'll only wake up periodically for food. Other animals migrate or travel to warmer areas. Because of the harsh conditions in the tundra, most of the land is uninhabited. That means that few people live in these areas. With the exception of researchers, much of the tundra is unexplored. Okay, so don't forget to add keywords from any of these facts that seem interesting or notable to you. Then write the information in your own words. Don't forget to include your own personal flair in the way you communicate the information. You can also include a sentence about how scientists classify the tundra. There's 2 types of tundras, alpine tundra and Arctic tundra. The last step is to read over your flipbook and make sure that your sentences make sense, that you have a capital letter at the beginning of each sentence, and that you have punctuation at the end of each sentence. You don't want to lose points for simple, easy-to-fix mistakes. Okay, if you're done with all that, you can go ahead and submit your flipbook. Good job, and I'm proud of you for working hard on this project.